Backed by years of experience, Sculpto 3D has developed the bean to fit into anyone's life. This high-performance 3D printer is a truly affordable, all-purpose 3D printer created with the consumer in mind. Usage is simple. Simply pour in the resin, press print, and watch your designs come to life. The bean allows yourself the freedom to view and control the printer from any Wi-Fi enabled device. The bean has a large build area of 2.7 by 4.7 inches with a 50 micrometer resolution. It has a build height of 5.9 inches with a Z resolution capable of 10 microns. Along with its stylish design, the bean is compact at 8 by 8 by 16 inches. Slices are projected by a 2K LCD panel coupled with a LED lamp. Our patented PSP technology enhances the resolution and surface smoothness. Specially formulated for the bean, 3D SR resins range from green, gray, black, and yellow. With 3D SR resins, users are able to print a variety of models for different applications, such as miniature, jewelry, art, engineering, and dental. With our previous experience and success from our first Kickstarter, we know what it takes to meet the needs and fulfill promises. Our engineering and production team worked hard to deliver what we promised to our backers, and we will do it again for the second time. Help us achieve our goal of revolutionizing the 3D printer industry. Back the Bean 3D printer today. Sculpto 3D. Unleash your creativity.
Hi, we're the team behind Tiko. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tiko, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tiko sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tiko has an internal filament tray, enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tiko, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tiko is only $179. Yup, $179. That's the beauty of Unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture. We could set the price higher, but we want everyone to have a Tiko. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing to create Tiko. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today, and let's find out.
Our team has been working together for a few years now, and we've had the opportunity to work with a wide range of different technologies, but none have even come close to having the vast capabilities of the 3D printer.
Having an engineering background, I've been primarily working on projects involving artificial limb construction. During this process, I realized that it would be a lot easier if I could work from home, which led me to consumer 3D printing.
For designers, engineers, architects, students, the average Joe, there's not many opportunities to buy a 3D printer without really breaking the bank. So we decided to build it ourselves for people like us and keep it open source, so there's no barriers to how this machine can evolve.
3D printers used to be big and bulky and cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. But what we've done with Robo 3D is build a comparable machine that fits nicely on your desktop at an affordable price.
When working in the field of solid modeling, there's always been a divide between what you can imagine and what you can actually build, unless you've got some very expensive equipment. With Robo 3D, you now are provided with the opportunity to build some intricate, precise pieces in the comfort of your own home.
So what is 3D printing? 3D printing is additive manufacturing that turns computer models into real physical things. It takes plastic, PLA, biodegradable filament, melts it into thin layers onto a surface, moves up and prints another layer, like a hot glue gun effect. After layer upon layer, you are left with a physical object that is very durable. You can use 3D modeling software such as SolidWorks, the free Google SketchUp program, or go to thingiverse.com. Download free things that people have already created and print them out in your own home, office, or classroom. There's even an iPad app to help you create 3D models.
You can design anything from toys, model homes, household items, phone cases, laptop stands, camera mounts, figurines, replacement parts, gears, pulleys. The list is endless.
This is a great 3D printer for everyone, from beginners to advanced users alike. Our goal is to make Robo 3D affordable, easy to assemble, and easy to use.
As you can see, our printer is designed to look aesthetically pleasing on your desk or countertop. It's made of two main pieces that easily slide and lock into place.
Our printer features one of the largest build platforms available at 10 by 12 by 9 inches. That, combined with 100 micron layer height, makes for big, smooth, precise prints.
We are a well-rounded team of designers, mechanical, and electrical engineers. Together, we have created a product that will give you great results. We've been designing our product for some time now, and we're ready to gear up manufacturing and get into the hands of users. But to do that requires considerable resources. This is where you and Kickstarter come in. Your funds will allow us to begin our ready-to-go manufacturing process and deliver our product at a low cost to you.
The heart of the matter is, we want everyone to experience this amazing technology. So let's change the world, one Robo 3D printer at a time.
I realized that most of the 3D printers in the market, they fall into two groups. High resolution but very expensive, or affordable but in poor quality. That's why we decided Moonray to bridge the gap between quality and price.
I think the best design is the one that is out of the way. And when we designed Moonray, we decided that we should take all the clutter and all the things that make a product more less understandable and minimize it to something that is more useful. Most of the 3D printers have a consumable resin tank, but we took on this great challenge of redesigning it in a way that you don't have to replace it after every print that you make. So it's more durable and it lasts longer.
The heart of every high-resolution 3D printer is the resin curing unit. Most 3D printers use either laser or commercial projectors to do this. But we develop our own custom-built UV DLP projector. We call it Ray 1. It lasts for 50,000 hours and it's able to create parts as fine as 100 micron resolution.
Yeah, what makes Moonray special and attractive, I think, is the resolution. I haven't seen that tight of resolution on a desktop SLA printer. it's available for the price that it's at as well.
There's always been a few different challenges in 3D prints. One is not only being able to have it smooth from the print, or a lot of post-processing. And the Moonray allows me to be able to have minimal post-processing. And then also the support structure usually creates a lot of different points on a 3D print that have to be cleaned up later. And in this case, it was very easy to do.
In many ways, the design of the Moonray was about making it more compact and more efficient and more versatile, so it would fit in different environments.
Yeah, for the resolution, you can't beat the Moonray. The price and resolution ratio is incredible. You can't beat it. There's nothing else out there like it.
Had a couple of characters that I created in ZBrush printed on the Moonray, and I was really impressed. I was really blown away, actually. All the small details, little elements, textures, lines, everything that I created in the software came out in the characters, and that really got me excited.
The Moonray revolutionizes the opportunities that I have to run my business.
Everybody can use Moonray because it's affordable, it's easy to use, and it has the best resolution among all the desktop 3D printers.
We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We're excited to deliver Moonray to everybody and to see what they can create with it.
Next generation 3D printing with breakthrough performance, speed, resolution, easy to use, reliability, customizable Z-resolution profile, touch-to-print apps and ecosystem. Introducing the Slash 3D printer by Uni-Z. The advanced power of a high-performance LCD-based SLA printer, finally available to the everyday consumer. Over the course of 2 years, we've achieved unrivaled printing speed, resolution, and reliability, providing the best performance in every way possible. So our users can bring their creations, their ideas, to life exactly the way they were designed, with industrial-grade accuracy and smooth surface finishing. Now you can build a full pan of small prototypes at once and produce your build-to-order items in batches, right from your desktop with superior resolution and quality. Slash is also good for large, complicated models requiring extraordinary details, magnitude faster than laser-based SLA technologies. We provide our users with a powerful software suite that features advanced editing and auto support. And exclusive with the Uni-Z software, you can now customize the Z profile of your model. Mix and match segments at different resolutions, setting the most suitable balance of quality and speed on your demand. With Slash, 3D creators can finally build their prototypes the way they want them to be built. Not just delicate parts, but also for solid objects. To keep things simple and intuitive, our software engineers also created an online library and touch-to-print app system. Slash lets you start building in minutes. Select a model from the Uni-Z touch-to-print app, then hit the print button. It's that simple. This is not only a professional-grade tool, but also priced for the home user. Inventors, students, designers, hobbyists, families, or just for fun. Self-expression is intrinsic to everyone, regardless of age or profession. And we value simplicity, so everyone from amateurs to professionals can use our product. After 2 years of intensive research and development, we are concluding the prototyping stage for the Slash. And now, it's time to start production so we can deliver the Slash to users across the world. Mass production of a perfect product requires some substantial resources and, most importantly, your support. Imagine you have brilliant designs or concepts. What we're trying to do is to provide you with an advanced and affordable tool to make them real. This is the Slash 3D printer by Uni-Z.